Hey, let me quickly explain how you can charge the Google Pixel 9 Pro XL. So first of all, you can for sure use a wireless charger like this one. As you can see, this is like 2 bucks charger from an Amazon. So you don't have to get any fancy expensive charger. Take a look. You have to just put it on the back like that and you will get this charging information. So this is the first method with this wireless charger. The next one. You can charge your Google Pixel 9 Pro XL with second phone. So take a look. Here I have the Google Pixel 7 Pro, and now the first end of the cable you will have to connect into your Pro XL, basically into the USB-C port, and this second end of the cable you have to plug into the USB-C port of your phone. And now as you can see, you've got this charging information. So yes, you can charge your Pixel 9 Pro XL by using second phone. And even you don't have to use an original cable that actually comes in the box. As you can see here, I have the old cable with the USB end, and I'm just using this adapter from the USB-A to the USB-C. And also you can connect this straight into the laptop. So let me quickly show you. I'm gonna plug it right now in my laptop. And as you can see, the device is still charging. Of course, you can use this power adapter, but I will highly recommend you to get an original adapter. In my case, into my 9 Pro XL, into my 7 Pro and Pixel 8a, I'm actually using adapter from Asus Zenfone 7 Pro. And it works. But I was testing other adapters and they are actually not working with my Pixel. So the best option to actually get an original adapter to be sure that you will be able to charge your device. And of course, this cable you can also connect, for example, into your game console, into your TV, basically into any other device with power supply, and it will start charging your device. So this is it. This is like basically every possible method of charging this device by other devices and power adapter and cable right now. Please subscribe and see you in the next one.